What if you could create professional quality music, generate stunning images, or edit videos with just a few clicks? Imagine having a tool that handles all the tedious tasks you usually spend hours on, like transforming your voice recordings into crystal clear audio, instantly designing high-quality infographics, or even automating complex tasks like managing a blog or building a website. In this video, we'll explore how these powerful AI functions are changing the way we work, saving time, and boosting productivity. The real question is, are they worth your time and investment? Let's dive in and find out. First, let's dive into something that every content creator will love: AI music generation. One Udio. AI music creation. Have you ever needed music for your project, but didn't have the budget to hire a composer? Udio is the perfect solution. This AI tool allows you to generate royalty-free music in minutes, customized to your exact needs. Whether you want an instrumental track or a full song, just input your preferences and watch Udio create music like a pro. The best part? It's all copyright-free, so you can use it for any commercial purpose, from YouTube videos to business presentations. Here's how it works. You select your genre, add a custom prompt, and let the AI do the rest. For instance, I asked for a country pop track with male vocals, and it gave me 2 fully produced songs. Plus, you get daily credits to generate full-length songs, making it an excellent option for creators on a budget. The only downside? If you're not happy with the track, you can tweak the prompt until it fits, but be prepared to fine-tune it a bit. For those looking for a quick, efficient solution, Udio is a must-have. The platform offers several options for tailoring the music to your needs, including the ability to adjust the mood, tempo, and even the vocal tone. You can refine your request by specifying the emotion you want the track to convey, be it energetic, melancholic, or something in between. Plus, Udio's simplicity means that even a beginner can use it with ease, and the quality of the tracks generated will make you sound like a seasoned music producer. Next, let's move from music creation to AI-powered imagery, where things get even more exciting. 2. Gemini Imagen 4 Text-to-Image AI. Gemini, Google's latest text-to-image AI, is the best I've used so far for creating stunning visuals. Unlike other tools, it generates images with incredible detail from a simple text prompt. Need a retro 1950s neon sign for your project? Just type it in, and Gemini does the rest, giving you an image that's ready to use in your content. Here's where it stands out. With Gemini, you don't just get a rough draft, you get a polished, high-resolution image that feels like it was created by a professional designer. It's ideal for bloggers, marketers, and anyone who needs visuals but lacks the time or skills to create them. No more searching through stock image libraries or dealing with expensive designers. The future of content creation is here, and Gemini makes it possible with a few clicks. The speed and quality are unmatched, perfect for creators on a tight schedule. What makes this tool truly unique is its ability to understand complex prompts and deliver images that match the tone and atmosphere you're aiming for. Whether you're designing a promotional flyer, a blog post image, or social media graphics, Gemini can help you achieve a level of creativity that you might not have thought possible with other tools. It's intuitive, fast, and effective, ideal for anyone looking to create stunning visuals without breaking the bank. 3. Whisk Image-to-Animation AI. Up next is Whisk, an AI that takes static images and animates them. Imagine creating a beautiful image and then turning it into a short animated clip. That's exactly what Whisk does. It uses Google's Imagen 4 model to generate images and then lets you add simple animations like moving elements or changing backgrounds. I gave it a try with a prompt for a cowboy monkey riding a horse. Not only did it create the image, but I could also animate the horse moving down a street. Sure, it's still in its experimental stage, but it's an exciting glimpse into the future of content creation. What's incredible is that Whisk lets you experiment with animations without needing expensive software or advanced skills. This is going to change how advertisers, storytellers, and educators create content. So if you're looking to bring your visuals to life with minimal effort, this tool is a no-brainer. Another benefit of Whisk is its simplicity. You don't need to spend hours learning complicated animation software. Whisk does all the hard work for you. With just a few clicks, you can go from a static image to an animated masterpiece, saving you time and hassle. Plus, the AI provides suggestions for animations, making it even easier to create compelling visual content quickly. Now let's move from creating art to editing, specifically video editing that does all the heavy lifting for you. 4. Clipchamp AI Video Editing. Clipchamp is one of the most user-friendly video editors I've found, and it's loaded with AI-powered features that make editing a breeze. Whether you're new to editing or you want to speed up your workflow, Clipchamp is the solution. It includes AI-driven tools for text-to-speech, silence removal, AI noise suppression, and even auto-generated subtitles in over 80 languages. Editing is as simple as uploading your footage and letting the AI handle the rest. It's a beginner's dream, but still powerful enough for those who need high-quality results. The interface is clean, intuitive, and easy to navigate, making it a fast tool for creating polished videos without the learning curve of professional software like Premiere Pro. For anyone creating YouTube content or marketing videos, this is a time saver that will seriously improve your efficiency. The addition of AI-generated subtitles is a huge win, especially for those targeting a global audience. Clipchamp's multi-language support ensures that your videos are accessible to viewers around the world, making it a versatile tool for creators who need to cater to diverse audiences. With the noise suppression feature, you can remove unwanted background noise without compromising the audio quality, which is a game changer for anyone recording in less than ideal environments. Alright, now for something that's going to revolutionize how you present data. Let's talk about infographics. 5. Infographics, AI-generated infographics. Infographics is truly a game changer for anyone who needs to create professional-looking infographics without spending hours on design. Gone are the days of tedious formatting and complex graphic design tools. With infographics, creating visually appealing and impactful infographics is as simple as entering your data or selecting a topic. The AI does all the heavy lifting by generating the layout, formatting, and design, leaving you with a stunning infographic in a matter of minutes. This tool offers an impressive variety of templates to cater to all kinds of visual data representation. Whether you need timelines, hierarchies, lists, or cycles, Infographics has you covered. These templates provide a versatile approach to presenting information, making the process effortless for anyone, no matter your level of design experience. The ability to quickly generate infographics for reports, marketing materials, social media posts, or even educational content ensures that you always stay ahead of the curve. What truly sets infographics apart is how it removes the need for any graphic design expertise. Its AI-driven design suggestions not only ensure that your infographics look professional, but also that they are aligned with the content you're presenting. Whether it's a simple chart or a more complex visual representation, the AI adapts to the data, ensuring that the layout is not just functional, but also aesthetically pleasing. The real appeal? It's completely free right now, offering unlimited access to generate infographics each day. This makes it an ideal solution for small businesses, educators, and content creators who need to communicate information clearly and effectively. You can even export your creations in a variety of formats, making them easy to use across multiple platforms, whether for social media, print, or presentations. In a world where visual content is king, Infographics is a tool that makes it effortless to create high-quality, shareable infographics. If you're already feeling overwhelmed by the number of tools you could use, don't worry. Just hit subscribe so you don't miss out on the next game-changing AI tools we review. And hey, which of these tools are you most excited to try out? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. To wrap things up, these 5 AI tools are definitely worth knowing about. Whether you're a creator, marketer, or business owner, these tools will save you hours of work and give your projects that extra edge. No more wasting time on the tedious stuff. Let AI handle it while you focus on what really matters. Remember, it's all about working smarter, not harder. So go ahead and give these tools a try. Your workflow will never be the same again.